So, hi everyone, it's me, Parsuj again, and for today's video is kakarating lang ng aking mag-ama. And this is the best part of being a mother kasi nakasanayan na nung aking anak na pag umuwi siya doon sa amin ay uh, titingnan niya yung likod ng pintuan kasi alam niyang doon ako naghihintay. So, while waiting sa aking anak, I'm scared. Kinakabahan ako kasi sometimes nagugulat siya. So, sometimes naman is natutuwa. So, lagi talaga yan every dating niya, sisilip siya sa likod ng pintuan, no? So, again, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much, everyone. One of the best moment of being a mother. So, God bless.